is the distance. And the race is on. Speed to Riches, Balulan Beach, Friendly Fire, and moving up by the rallies. Has it coming? It's now Has it coming, Friendly Fire, Speed to Riches, alongside rushing up Small Star, Balulan Beach Reporter. Has it coming? By a length and a half, followed by Friendly Fire. Speed to Riches, racing in third, running down on the inside, Small Star Reporter, Balulan Beach Hardway, second last, and Sunday Street is running at the tail of the field. Nearing the far turn, Has it coming by some 3 lengths, followed by Friendly Fire. Speed to Riches, racing from the outside, third, Small Star. Another far turn, Has it coming by some 2 lengths, Friendly Fire. Speed to Riches as they raise the last 450. Has it coming in the middle. Speed to Riches alongside Friendly Fire down on the inside. And ring the last 200 meters more to run. Speed to Riches from the outside, Friendly Fire. Has it coming in the middle, Small Star Hardway, Balulan Beach. But Speed to Riches increasing its marker to about 4. And finally, Speed to Riches. Has it coming, Friendly Fire, Close, Small Star, and Hardway for your fan trifecta.